In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Excel or any other file via Google Drive so that everyone can edit them. If you've ever needed to collaborate with others on a spreadsheet or document, you'll know the importance of seamless file sharing. Google Drive makes this process quite simple, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can share files effectively and efficiently. First, let's head over to the Google Drive homepage. Take a moment to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll see all your files neatly organized. Locate the Excel file you want to share. Found it? Great. Now here comes the fun part, sharing the file with others. Right-click on the Excel file, a menu will pop up revealing several options. Hover over the Share option. Don't click just yet. Simply hovering will give you a quick idea of what's to come. The next step requires you to click on Share, a simple action that opens up the sharing settings. Now, look at the sharing settings window. It's important to understand the distinction between restricted and anyone with the link, as this will affect who can access your file. Initially, the setting might be on restricted, meaning only people you directly invite can view it. But for collaborative purposes, you'll want more flexibility. Click on restricted to change it, choose anyone with the link. This setting is magic for collaboration. It allows anyone who has the link to view, edit or comment on the file depending on the level of access you choose. Remember though, this means your file can be accessed by anyone who gets hold of the link, so consider the sensitivity of your information before proceeding. Once you've set permissions to anyone with the link, the next step involves adding specific people. You can type their email addresses in the provided field. Consider adding collaborators who play a key role in your project to streamline communication and efficiency. After you finish typing in the emails, simply click on Send. This will notify your selected colleagues or friends, granting them access to the file. Don't forget, the real power of collaboration lies in clear communication and well-defined roles. So maybe accompany your share with a quick message or an email outlining what you wish to achieve together. And there you have it. You've successfully shared an Excel file on Google Drive, enabling everyone to edit, collaborate, and contribute. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, this digital teamwork tool can open up new avenues for productivity and creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been useful in making your file sharing experience on Google Drive a breeze.